Are you trying to figure out how to make your money work for you? Whether you're curious about starting a business, saving smarter, or finally learning about investing, you are in the right spot. Now let's get into it. A few years ago, I was just like you, looking for ways to take control of my finances and create a life I loved. Through trial and error and a lot of learning, I built multiple streams of income, including successful business, and achieved milestones what I once thought was out of reach. And this channel is my way of sharing everything that I learned to help you achieve your goals too. On this channel, you'll find actionable tips on starting and scaling a business, investing strategy for beginners, and practical finance ideas for building wealth. Whether you just starting out or you looking to level up, there's something here for you. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and why you should hit that subscribe button right now. Let's break down what you can expect. Number one, business tips. Whether you're launching your first online store or scaling your side hustle, I'll share strategies that help me grow my e-commerce business to over $1 million in sales. I know you don't believe me, but that's why I kept the file. Number two, finance ideas. Notice I didn't say advice, because I am not a financial advisor. From budgeting hacks to paying off your debt, I'll show you how to create a solid financial foundation. Now, real quick, what's your biggest financial goal? I want to hear from you, so make sure you drop it in the comment section down below. And lastly, number three, investing for beginners. You think investing is complicated? I'll simplify it with step-by-step guides on building your first portfolio, understanding index funds, and planning for retirement. So why should you subscribe? Because this isn't just another financial channel. My goal is to make every piece of ideas practical, actionable, and relatable. I'm not here to overwhelm you with jargon. I'm here to help you to take steps that actually matter. Look, when I started my journey, I didn't have a lot of money, connection, or experience, but I had determination and a willingness to learn. I remember my first sale. It wasn't huge, but it was a moment that I realized it was possible. That's the mindset that I want to help you develop. The belief that you can do this too. Here's what you can expect on this channel. Number one, expert business tips that help you grow and succeed. Number two, practical finance ideas that'll help you build wealth step by step. And lastly, number three, simple investment strategies that help you secure your future. No matter where you're starting from, there's something here for you. Remember, small, consistent actions can lead to massive results over time. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on all post notifications so you never miss a video. Share your goals or challenges in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you. And stay tuned for my next video. And the next video I recommend you watch is how I made $1 million in sales and my biggest regret. I share all screenshots of my sales and what I regret doing when I came amongst a lump sum of money. You don't want to miss it. Hey man, make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna try to post 2 times a week. If you guys have any video requests or you want me to expound more on a topic within one of the videos that I posted, make sure you stay engaged and drop it in the comment section down below. I'll try to get back to you with the video. And again, I'm your boy Sylus, and this is the Econ Playbook. See y'all on the next one. Peace.